Today we're going to be using one of my absolute favorite art supplies, which is ballpoint pens. Now, what makes ballpoint pens so great? First of all, they're super cheap, they're really affordable, they're really easy to find, and they're permanent, and you can get super dark lines with them and lighter lines. You can shade with them, they're waterproof. You can just do so much with just a simple, cheap ballpoint pen. And they come in all sorts of colors, but I personally prefer black. I think the most common color is that dark blue. But basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be filling a sketchbook spread with just a ballpoint pen to show just how diverse the medium is. So this is going to be kind of like a sketchbook session draw with me. And first of all, I found this really cute photo of a cat on Pinterest wearing glasses, and I just think it's one of the best things I've ever seen, so I want to draw it. Now, I like to start lightly when I'm using ballpoint pen, so you don't want to commit to any really dark lines right off the bat. When I draw cats, I really like to block out the shape of their head first, because if I don't, then I just end up making them look kind of deformed and not quite right. And something else I love to do with ballpoint pen is to actually use watercolor on top, because it's waterproof, and that's awesome. You can even use this to line art drawings, to line drawings that you're gonna do watercolor on top of. I love doing hatching with them. I think you can make really nice energetic lines. There's just so many good things about ballpoint pens, and if I was stranded on an island, I would probably just choose this art supply to keep with me. If it was only one thing, because pencil smudges, but ballpoint pen is forever. Well, maybe not forever, but it lasts quite a long time. It also has a little necktie, which is so cute. And the cat's legs are so short. I might use my gel pen to fix something. Just made the eyes not quite right. So it's wearing a little necktie. You can definitely make some really amazing things with ballpoint pen. I'm just going to be doing sketches today because that's what I like to do with it the most, but some people do full drawings with it and really use it to the best of its ability. This pen might be kind of old because I can't really get the darkest of lines with it. I'm gonna draw this raccoon. I feel like I need to draw from reference lately because I just don't really have any good ideas. My favorite part about ballpoint pen is getting these really small, delicate lines. So I'm trying to get the highlights in its eyes by blocking out the highlight first, making the rest of the eye really dark, and then going super light over the highlight so that it's still a lighter part of the eye. but it's not pure white, and I think that kind of helps. Because you can really get even tones if you do extremely small strokes. My hand is really hurting today. I think I drew too much yesterday. Doing these small little strokes is not helping my hand pain. I want to add a bit of highlights with the gel pen, even though it ends up turning blue. Okay, it definitely overworked both of these, but let's just move on. Not that. I really want to work on poses more because I think it's something I kind of neglect and I just want to get better. Just looking up some references to help me. There, we drew it and now it looks better. I have this like paper tape that a friend gave me and it's sticky, so it's like a strip of sticky notes and I can just cover parts I want to redraw. And if you completely mess it up, you just peel it off. I really like the chunky sneaker look. Like the oversized sneakers, but I also like the delicate shoes too. It doesn't really look structurally sound. I'm finding some references of other drawings, kind of helping me understand. I want to learn how to draw these kind of wrinkles better, the kind that appear on like legs and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna move on and just draw some things, maybe based on what Pinterest recommends to me. Bunny, flowers, dragon, rocks, wolf, bird. Maybe a bunny girl. I don't really know why. I think it'd be fun to draw though. I made her arm way too long. Trying to recreate the hair. Like her shoulder pads are kind of like a tail. Well, it looks like a bunny's tail. I do not know what I'm doing. And the art block persists. Does she have human ears too? I guess she does. Yeah, that's a better pose. Why do I struggle with everything today? I don't really know what I'm drawing, but I'm trying to draw this character over and over. Maybe just like variations of bunny people? I don't know. I keep messing up, but you know, sometimes it's just how it goes. I don't really know what I want, and then I try to do it. Maybe if I did a little thumbnail first, it would help. I'm trying to base this off of some reference photos. This one has an oversized sweater. I just need to pay more attention to details because I know I can draw poses, I just don't. And I just need to get better at doing it. I'm trying to like not imitate other styles too much. Try to do it my way. And everything should be fine. Maybe this is why I like pencil, because I can actually erase and not have to cover everything in tape. Because I'm not like, when you're on a roll, it's easier to use ballpoint pen because you don't need to like erase as much because you don't make as many mistakes. But today is a mistake making day, so I need to erase, or at least cover parts up. But I think it makes pages look more interesting anyway. Okay, I only have room for a few more. One with big puffy pants. So I kind of had fun drawing all these cute little poses. and warming up with the cat. I really hope you enjoyed seeing me demonstrate why I love ballpoint pens so much. I just love the variety you can get with the lines. You can do a lot more with it than this. But I was just mostly sketching, and I'm feeling a little bit rusty and art blocked lately. So this wasn't the best demonstration, but I had a lot of fun, and I hope you will consider using ballpoint pen more if you don't. I know a lot of people do use ballpoint pen, but I just think it's a really great versatile medium that you can just do so much with, so I love it a lot. I have this blue one too. I have it in pink and green and like all these colors, orange. You can get it in pretty much any color, but the most common, like you can pretty much find ballpoint pens anywhere. They're so cheap and they work really well for sketches. Don't forget to check out my Patreon. I post little sketchbook peeks like this on my Patreon. I post scans of all my sketches, behind the scenes stuff of what I'm doing, and I send exclusive prints and stickers and stuff every single month. So I really hope you will go check out my Patreon, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.